In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a combo chart in Google Sheets. This type of chart is incredibly useful for illustrating different types of data in one concise view. Whether you're comparing two datasets or just want to show variations in data representation, a combo chart can visually do a lot in one go. Let's walk through the steps to effortlessly set up your own combo chart. First, you'll need to open up a Google Sheet. If you're starting from scratch, just open Google Sheets through your web browser and create a new spreadsheet. Now, once you've got your spreadsheet open and ready, the next thing to do is to highlight the data you want to visualize. For today's example, we'll be selecting cells A1 through C8. This selection will include all the data we need to form the basis of our chart. Make sure you select the columns that contain both your categorical data and your numeric data that you wish to compare. With your data selected, we're going to move on to inserting our chart into the sheet. Navigate to the menu at the top of your screen and find Insert. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, click on Chart. This action will automatically insert a default chart into your sheet, providing a basic visual representation of your selection. Now, we could stop here, but our goal is to create a combo chart. So, let's refine our chart type. Seek out the chart editor that should have appeared on the right side of your screen upon inserting the chart. Click on the Setup tab within this editor to begin customizing our chart. You'll see a section labeled Chart Type. Initially, this is likely set to a column chart. We'll need to change this to a combo chart. Click on Column Chart to bring up a list of other chart options available to you. As you browse through the options, locate Combo Chart. This will enable us to combine the features of both line and bar graphs into one chart, providing a coherent view of our data. Finally, select Combo Chart. Your chart will automatically update to reflect this new setup, showing a mix of column and line representations. This new visual will make it exceptionally clear how the different datasets interact. You can further customize your combo chart by experimenting with chart features like labels, legends, and colors. Play around with these settings to better match your data presentation needs. And there you have it, your very own combo chart in Google Sheets. With just a handful of steps, you've created a powerful tool to depict and analyze your data. This versatile chart is sure to enhance your presentations and deepen your data analysis.